Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.